loud. 3 little kittens love to play, chasing tails all day, hooray, hooray. Creep and bounce, then spin around. Soft little paws don't make a sound. 4 tall giraffes go stretch, stretch, reaching leaves they try to fetch. Stand up tall and stretch up high, touch the stars up in the sky. 5 funny monkeys in a line, swing on branches, feeling fine. Scratch your head and jump with glee, let's all swing from tree to tree. 6 penguins waddling in the snow, left to the right they go, go, go. Waddle, wobble, slide and freeze, slip and giggle in the breeze. 7 sleepy owls blink their eyes, watching stars in nighttime skies. Turn your head and softly, ooh, the moon is shining just for you. 8 buzzing bees go round and round, dancing gently off the ground. Buzz and twirl and don't forget, make a circle like a jet. 9 green frogs leap to and fro, jumping high and diving low. Ribbit once, then leap again, jump in puddles, splash with friends. 10 roaring lions full of might, stomping paws